All right, good people, I'm getting ready to replace my swivel cartridge in my big guy. It took a dive on us a few days ago, and I finally got around to changing it. It's real simple. I've already taken the old one out. I've already taken the bar off, which was here, and then this was here attached to the swivel. You got to take both of these off, in order to get the cartridge out. Okay. All right, so now we're in the process of just putting everything back in and putting all this stuff back together. All right, we're gonna pop it out here. All right, what is that? Oh, this is seal. Oh man, come look at that, come all greased up inside, you dig? I guess I should have put some gloves on. I could have, but whatever. Pop him right back in there, like so. Should fit snug down in there. Let me lay it down. All right. I painted mine, but it's typically green. That's why it's right over top of that. It threads right back on in. Just like so. Then you grab a crescent wrench. Crescent wrench is in here somewhere. There we go. Boom. Don't have to be too tight, just snug. All right, I'm gonna grab this little doohickey here, put him on there. Should just thread right on there, pretty simple. Thread that on there. All right, then we're gonna get a 9/16 wrench. 9/16 is here. That there, that'll hold that in place. That'll hold that in place there. Where's the crescent wrench? Grab the crescent wrench and just bring it in there nice and snug. As you can see, that's holding that in place. 9/16 wrench. All right, done. From there, grab the bar. Now this gets threaded on. Make sure you don't cross thread it. Make sure it's on there. So take your time and get it done. You don't want to mess up the thread, because it'll be jacked up. Been there, done that. You know better, you do better. That's it. Uh-oh, that ain't it. Come on, get on there. I think that's it. There we go. You just thread that on there. This is holding in place. You just snug it down. That's it. Brand new swivel. Ready to go.